Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your marketing strategy with HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your marketing strategy with HubSpot, start by defining your goals. Identify the specific outcomes you want to achieve. Next, assess your current marketing efforts. Determine which strategies are working and which need improvement. Set up your HubSpot account if you haven't done so already. Ensure you have access to the tools you need for your marketing campaigns. Integrate your existing systems with HubSpot for seamless data flow. Familiarize yourself with HubSpot's dashboard and interface. Explore the different tools available, such as email marketing and social media management. Develop buyer personas to better understand your target audience. Utilize HubSpot's CRM to collect and manage customer data effectively. Segment your audience based on behavior and preferences. Create tailored content that speaks to each segment. Use HubSpot's content calendar to plan and schedule your campaigns. Leverage automation features for email marketing and responses. Set up workflows to nurture leads through the sales funnel. Monitor your campaign performance through HubSpot's analytics tools. Analyze key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Make data-driven adjustments to optimize your strategies. Test different approaches to see what resonates best with your audience. Engage with your audience on social media through HubSpot's integration. Regularly review your goals and performance metrics. Continuously refine your marketing strategies based on what you learn. Stay updated with HubSpot's new features and industry trends. Invest time in learning and leveraging HubSpot's resources and community. Celebrate your successes and adjust your strategies as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your marketing strategy with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.